An institute blooms in the environment that fosters competitiveness, creative thinking, research, innovation, and so forth. So, Vidya Pratishthan's Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology has made a big mark in knowledge building and educational platforms. PKBIT puts students first. It provides an environment that encourages working on innovative projects in order to promote holistic personality development for nurturing future leaders. Imagine learning in an environment that provides heavenly beautiful campus with world-class infrastructure. Yes, VPKBIT strives to improve overall return on the investment in education by helping students to learn more at lower time, at lower cost.
Civil engineering is a real engineering and one of the core and most fundamental engineering branches. The civil engineering department is one of the old department of Vidya Pratishthan Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Baramati. With its talented 14 regular faculty, it provides high quality teaching and research. Out of these 14 faculty, 4 have completed their PhD and 9 are pursuing their PhD from reputed universities and institutes including IIT, NIT, VJTI and SPPU. We provide very attractive facilities and an environment for those who joining the department as faculty and students. As per the vision and mission, our aim is to deliver the best of our students to society and the nation. The department is well known because of our multi-talented alumni. Several former UG and PG students of these departments are in various topmost prestigious positions globally in the different sectors like academia, research, organization, industry, government, etc.
पर्टिक्युलर सिव्हिल ब्रँचबद्दल बोलायचे म्हटले तर सिव्हिल इज वन ऑफ द कोर ब्रँच ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग. देशाच्या प्रगतीत आणि अर्थव्यवस्थेमध्ये सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगचा खूप मोठा हात आहे. एखादी बिल्डिंग, इमारत, रस्ते, धरण यासारखे काम करायचे असेल तर सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग शिवाय कोणीच करू शकत नाही. भारत हा प्रगतशील देश म्हणून ओळखला जातो. म्हणजेच भारतामध्ये सुद्धा अजून खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात बदल होणार आहेत. हा बदल फक्त आणि फक्त सिव्हिल इंजिनिअर करू शकतो. त्यामुळे सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगला खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात मागणी आहे. सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग ही अशी एक ब्रँच आहे ज्याद्वारे तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट, प्रायव्हेट सेक्टर इतक्याच प्रमाणात सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये सुद्धा खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात संधी उपलब्ध आहे. जर तुम्ही सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग करायचा विचार करत असाल तर हा तुमचा निर्णय अगदी योग्य राहील.
Research is a very vital components in the academics. So in view of this, departments have a very good research cultures and department faculties are actively involved in various R&D activities like paper publications, submissions of funding proposals to various funding agencies, filing of patents and many more. Since in last 3 years, the department faculties have published more than 50 research papers in various reputed peer-reviewed journals and conferences. Apart from that, the departments also have received the grants from various government funding agencies like AICTE, SPPU and Science and Engineering Research Boards for organizing various workshops and paper publication.
Training is essential for civil engineering students to develop their employability skill and secure good placement in various industries. Student training is essential responsibility of our department since we provide both external and internal training programs for our students. In collaboration with experts from GTT, FORCI, Zensar, Infosys and alumni, we provide professional training programs for our students such as soft skill, aptitude skill, technical skill, talk on preparation for competitive examination, job opportunities in abroad for civil engineering, tips to final year project work, hands-on training program for different civil engineering softwares and so on.
VPQAT has in-house Industry Institute Interaction Cell, which has the state-of-the-art facilities to provide the good quality industries for the students' interaction by conducting the expert sessions. This allows them to acquire qualities beforehand so that they can understand the expectations and can achieve the comfort to work in the professional environment.
Here in the department, students are motivated, encouraged and trained to prepare for government as well as private sector jobs. Apart from this, students are also trained to be an entrepreneur. Our students have got selected in various renowned companies like Byju's, TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, etc. Apart from this, our students are also leading at various government organizations.
Department of Civil Engineering has well-equipped laboratories along with sophisticated instruments. These laboratories are facilitating the quality testing of building materials and consultancy services to industry, private government association and societies. Still, we have provided our services to more than 30 companies in around Baramatis, as well as municipalities, MIDCs related to construction activities. In this process, our students also eventually participating with us through Earn and Learn scheme.
Right now, we are in concrete technology laboratory. Here in this lab, we have all the equipments to check quality of construction material. We have all the instruments to check quality of cement, to check quality of sand, to check quality of aggregate. Then we have all the instruments to check or to perform different tests on the fresh concrete.
Construction industry is a sector where lot of opportunities can be created if the knowledge of entrepreneurship become widespread. Entrepreneurship Development Cell has been started at VPKVIT Baramati to develop the spirit of entrepreneurship among the students and to create the job creators rather than the job seekers through Institute Innovation Cell.
KVIT Baramati, which will give you webinar series every semester to prepare and to apply for study abroad, which will open a vast ocean for opportunities for you, which will help to your brighter career in future.
Civil Engineering Department has number of Center of Excellence, Center for Analysis and Design of Industrial Steel Structure, Center for Seismic Evaluation and Damage Detection of Structures, Center of Infrastructure Health Monitoring, Center for Town Planning, and next is Center for Water Quality.
Alumni are working in various good infrastructure development companies like L&T, in software companies like TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, and government departments like PWD, Irrigation, Town Planning, and many more. Our alumni always guide our students for preparation of government examinations as well as for the job opportunities in private sector as well as in software industry. We do conduct alumni meets frequently. We do take their feedbacks and inputs for enriching our teaching learning processes.
Hi everyone, my name is Asmita Mankar and I am an alumni at Vidya Pratishthan Civil Engineering Department. Currently I am aspiring a PhD in Structural Engineering from University of California. It was a great experience being at VP. First of all, I would like to thank all my staff members for being very supportive throughout my research and graduation. No doubt that they are very skilled and have an expertise in their areas of interests. I have been here for 2 years. There is much more other than academics like technical events, cultural activities, campus recruitments, and much more. And I realized that students becoming more confident and coming out as a complete package by the end of their graduation as a result of top-class infrastructure, expert advices, and guest lectures. Moreover, the hostel facilities and the food is really great. I really enjoyed being at the campus. Finally, I would like to thank the institution for providing me with such a great experience, and I wish a very good luck to all the prospective students.
असं म्हणतात की आयुष्यामध्ये जर तुम्हाला यशस्वी व्हायचं असेल तर योग्य वेळी योग्य निर्णय हा घेतलाच गेला पाहिजे. माझ्याकडे इंजिनिअरिंगला ऍडमिशन घेत असताना बरेचसे ऑप्शन्स उपलब्ध असताना देखील विद्या प्रतिष्ठानमध्येच सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग करण्याचा जो ऑप्शन मी निवडला तो खरंच माझ्या आयुष्यातील एक योग्य निर्णय होता, हे आज मी अभिमानाने सांगतो. विद्या प्रतिष्ठानमध्ये 4 वर्ष इंजिनिअरिंगला असताना तेथील सर्व अनुभवी शिक्षकांच्या ज्ञानाचा आणि त्यांच्या वेळोवेळी मार्गदर्शनाचा फायदा नक्कीच झाला आणि आजही होतो आहे. विद्या प्रतिष्ठानच्या कॉलेजमध्ये तुम्हाला फक्त अकॅडमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटीजच नाही परंतु एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर ऍक्टिव्हिटीजही तेवढ्याच जोमानं घेतल्या जातात आणि त्याचाच फायदा हा एका विद्यार्थ्याच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी आणि तसेच पुढे जाऊन त्यांना एक उत्कृष्ट नागरिक घडवण्यासाठी नक्कीच होतोय, ते मी आजही अनुभवतोय.
Studied my Bachelor of Engineering. I truly find that the Department of Civil Engineering have very dedicated staff and who is very enthusiastic to teach you. They have played a vital role in my success in MPSC. So I highly recommend you the same. Thank you.
Finding a right path to a success at a right time is very important. And with that purpose, I selected a VPKBIT Baramati. The friendly environment and the systematic approach towards the imparting education made me the competent individual. The wide range of curricular, co-curricular activities and the support from VPKBIT is really helpful for my future. The faculties here are very kind and approachable whenever any need arises. VPKBIT trained us for a placement and because of which I got placed in a TCS and Cognizant, one of the reputed companies. Today I am at a programmer analyst training position and this is because of VPKBIT Baramati. I would like to thank my faculty members who turned out to be my support system during my academic career. It is because of the efforts put by the faculties and training and placement cell. I am very grateful to them for helping me to grab the first ever opportunity of my career. Thank you.
मुलाच्या 12वी नंतर इंजिनिअरिंगच्या कुठल्या शाखेत प्रवेश घ्यायचा हा संभ्रम होता, तेव्हा नायक सरांनी आम्हाला सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगच्या सरकारी व खाजगी क्षेत्रातील सर्वसमावेशक संधींचा विस्तृत उहापोह केला. त्यानुसार VPKBITच्या सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगला संख्येचे ऍडमिशन घेतलं.
आता तो अंतिम वर्षाला असून प्रत्येक सत्रात डिस्टिंक्शन मिळवत आहे.
नियमित अध्यापनाव्यतिरिक्त गेस्ट लेक्चर्स, साइट व्हिजिट, टेक्निकल इव्हेंट्स अशा उपक्रमांमुळे विद्यार्थ्यांचा सर्वांगीण विकास होण्यास हातभार लागत असल्याचे जाणवते. प्रोजेक्ट दरम्यान इंटर्नशिप, रिसर्च पेपर रायटिंग व पेटंट ड्राफ्टिंगसाठी प्रोत्साहन दिले जाते. गेट व प्लेसमेंटसाठी विनामूल्य मार्गदर्शन केले जाते. NPTEL कोर्सेससाठी उत्तेजन दिले जाते. कोर्सेरा व edX वरील अमर्यादित कोर्सेस विनामूल्य उपलब्ध करून देऊन विद्यार्थ्यांची बौद्धिक क्षमता सातत्यपूर्ण वाढविण्याचा महाविद्यालयाने प्रयत्न केलेला जाणवतो. कोरोनाच्या काळात IITच्या नामवंत प्राध्यापकांच्या व्हर्च्युअल लॅब्स उपलब्ध करून दिल्या.
एकंदरीत या महाविद्यालयामध्ये ऍडमिशन घेण्याचा निर्णय हा योग्यच असल्याची खात्री होते.
विद्या प्रतिष्ठान सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये काम करताना रोज नवीन गोष्टी शिकायला मिळतात. इंजिनिअरिंग स्टाफसोबत काम करताना एक नवीन अनुभव येतो. इथे असिस्टंट असो पण स्वतःची वेगळी ओळख राहते, कारण दरवर्षी आम्हाला इथे टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग दिल्या जातात. मी स्वतः एक 13 वर्षापासून ट्रेनिंग घेतली, असं की इन्व्हायरमेंटल इंजिनिअरिंग लॅबमधील स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर अनालिसिसचे ट्रेनिंग ॲडव्हान्स ट्रेनिंग सेंटर मुंबई गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इथे 24 दिवसाचा कोर्स केला आहे. इथे स्टाफ आणि स्टुडंटमध्ये मैत्रीपूर्वक वातावरण असून इथे स्टाफ स्टुडंटला